Aim at difficult to recruit workers. Machine with high energy consuming. Large area occupied for machine. Violent competition, etc. factors. Zhengying Company developed a new type energy-saving automatic soft rubber trademark machine with market competitiveness. For help customer occupy favorable position in market competition and achieve excess profit. Production process is divided into 7 steps. 1. Filling color material into mold. Adopt high deposition automatic 12 color stripping machine for filling color material into mold. Filling each color material into correct position for form logo and letter on mold. Automatic 12 color stripping machine adopt Panasonic motor, runs smoothly and high processing speed. High precision positioning system to ensure product quality. Adopt Japan NSKP4 bearing for add machine use life. Can replace 4 to 6 skilled workers. 2. Forming logo and letter parts. Add double-deck oven top shelf to forming logo and letter parts. Oven adopt double-deck structure, saving space. Stainless steel materials. Easy to clean. Pretty appearance. Adopt custom energy-efficient heaters. Products can be heated evenly. Energy saving and increased production. 3. Cooling mold. Adopt cooling table quick cooling the mold. Cooling table adopt condenser compressor. Acid refrigerating effect. Lower foil rate. Circulating water cooling mode. Temperature stability. Quick cooling mode and molding products. Increase production. 4. Filling base material into mold. Adopt automatic base material dripping machine filling base material into mold. Automatic base material dripping machine adopt LED shine motor. Max speed can be 100 gram per second. Adopt large capacity stainless steel material barrel. Lightweight small size, easy to move. 5. Baking and molding. Adopt double-deck oven bottom shelf to baking mold, forming the base material parts. 6. Cooling and forming. Adopt cooling table water cooling mold, forming products. 7. Demolding and goods seized. Just need 2 workers operation in production process. Total power 8 kilowatts. Practical work just need 5 kilowatts. Small size. Occupy area just need 12.5 square meters. High production 2,500 to 20,000 pieces per 8 hours. Can choose 380 voltages or 220 voltages as the power. Flexible and convenient.